Hello everyone, welcome back. So React Native 85 was just released with new animation backend and new Jest preset package. Let's go through the blog post. So today we are excited to excited to release React Native 85. This release includes the new animation backend, moves the Jest preset to a dedicated package, and includes many other improvements and fixes. So new animation backend, React Native 85 introduced the new shared animation backend built in collaboration with Software Mansion. This is a new internal engine that powers how animations are applied under the hood for both animated and reanimated. By moving the main animation update logic to React Native Core, Reanimated is able to land performance improvements that weren't possible before and can ensure that update reconciliation process is properly tested and will remain stable with future RN updates. In Animated, you can animate layout props with native drivers. The limitation once started here no longer applies. You can find more examples under React Native packages, RN Tester, JS example, animation backend. To opt in, you can enable the experimental channel of React Native as described in this package. So here is an example of how to animate it properly. React Native DevTools improvement. React Native DevTools received several improvements in this release. Multiple CDP connections. React Native now supports multiple simultaneous Chrome DevTools protocol connections, enabling clients such as React Native DevTools, VS Code, and AI agents to connect at the same time. This unlocks richer composable tooling workflows without unexpectedly ending sessions. Native tabs on macOS. We have updated the desktop app to compile for macOS and have also enabled system level tab handling for power users. Access via window, merge all windows when multiple DevTools windows are open. Request payload previews. After being disabled due to regression, request body previews in the network panels are now restored on Android. Metro TLS support. The Metro Dev server can now accept a TLS configuration object, enabling HTTPS and WSS for fast refresh during development. Useful for testing APIs that enforce secure connection. So configure it in metro config.js like this. For local development, MKCert is a simple way to generate a locally trusted certificate without browser warning. Breaking changes, Jest preset moved to a new package. React Native's Jest pack preset has been extracted from React Native into the new React Native Jest preset, reducing core package size and giving projects more flexibility in their testing setup. Update your Jest config.js with one line change. Drop support for UL Node.js version. React Native 85 drops support for end of the life UL Node.js version and releases before version 20.19.4. Please ensure you are running a supported version of Node.js before upgrading. Stylesheet.absolute fill object removed. The deprecated stylesheet.absolute fill object API has been removed. Use stylesheet.absolute fill or define your own absolute positioning style instead. Other breaking changes: pressable no longer unmounts event listeners in hidden activity. Remove deprecated C++ type alias for shadow node shared, weak, unshared, list of weak, list of shared, shared image manager, and context container shared. We re-added receive touches to RCT event emitter with default no op. This is a fix to reduce breaking changes for libraries that haven't migrated away from this method yet. React text update is now internal and should not be accessed publicly directly. Multiple classes deprecated or removed as legacy architecture cleanup. React Z index view group is now deprecated. UI manager helper is now deprecated. Catalyst instance IMPL has been removed. It was deprecated. Native view hierarchy manager has been fully stubbed out. iOS, the RCT host runtime delegate is now deprecated and merged into RCT host delegate. Fix duplicate symbol error when using React.exe framework. Other changes include Metro version has been bumped to 84. React update to consume Hermes version this. Yoga node migrated to Kotlin on Android. Deprecated accessibility info.set accessibility focus in favor of send accessibility event. TypeScript multiple utility type transformation like $values mix, $read only, and $read only array. Android will allowing specific dev server IP via React Native dev server IP graded property. iOS build added support for CLang virtual file system in React.exe framework. React Native 85 contains over 604 commits from 58 contributors. We want to spend special thank you to those community members that shipped significant contribution in this release. Please reuse React Native upgrade helper to view code changes between React Native versions. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.